Please renew, please restore, please make room in our hearts for more of your touch and your ways. May our lives be filled with your praise for the sake of the glory of your name. Please inspire us to love. May our deeds be those you desire of. Help us share, help us give our lives that others may live for the sake of the glory of your name. Renew our desire to seek you, for in seeking we shall find. Renew our desire to listen, that we might know your mind. Let us thirst, let us hunger for more of your spirit of love. Renew our desire. Let us be salt and light. Arm us now to fight the good fight. In your love, make us strong, knowing the victory is won for the sake of the glory of your name. Renew our desire to seek you, for in seeking we shall find. Renew our desire to listen, that we might know your mind. Let us thirst, let us hunger for more of your spirit of love. Renew our desire. To seek you, for in seeking we shall find. Renew our desire to listen, that we might know your mind. Let us thirst, let us hunger for more of your spirit of love. Renew our desire.